If you're experiencing login failures in Minecraft, particularly error code 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Minecraft server status page to ensure that the servers are up and running. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are operational again. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check your username and password to ensure they are entered correctly. Pay attention to key sensitivity and any possible typos. Step 3. Reset your password. If you're unsure about your password, consider resetting it. Go to the Minecraft login page and follow the instructions to reset your password via your registered email. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that your Minecraft client is up to date. Launch the Minecraft launcher and check for any available updates. Install them if necessary. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and then reinstalling Minecraft. This can help resolve any corrupted files that may be causing a login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue in Minecraft. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Minecraft support for further assistance.